Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Bailey. I'm the owner of Black Cat Books, and we're going to take a little quick tour. This is the reception area, and we've got some new books here. These are more non-fiction, some celebrity bios and memoirs, self-help, cookbooks, nature guides, puzzle books, dictionaries, all that good stuff. And then this is our local corner, so local authors, local content. Moving on to this little section, this is the beginning of the children's new book section. We also have some more local authors here, and puzzles and things like that. We have graphic novels, children's chapter books, young adult books, classics, thrillers, mystery, adult fiction. I do think that mysteries and thrillers are probably the most popular, although the fantasy romance genre is moving up there.
There's a lot more pink on this side.
Yeah. On these tabletops here, we have more new books. So then our used book section starts over here in the corner. This is the kids books, teen books, and then kind of kids nonfiction, fairy tales and stuff, and then the rest is all used books. Learning a different language, romance, mysteries and thrillers, journal fiction and literature. We've got a section for the royal family, royalty history from different parts of the world. Psychology, self-help, books on raising animals, some sports books, philosophy, spirituality, self-help. I mean, there's some things that could go in a lot of different areas, right? So it can be a challenge. Yeah. I mean, thank you for continuing to support Black Cat Books for the past 3 years. Don't stop now. Invite your friends, tell everybody. This is the place in the townships, Sherbrooke area townships, for English books.
Nice.